I've been making videos for 6 months now, and every video gets like 1 or maximum 5 views, and that got me thinking. Here's what I think is going on. Now, I've watched every video on the subject I could find, and everybody has basically the same instructions. Check that your channel isn't marked as made for kids, phone number is verified, language of the video is set to the language you made content with. Then there are the other basic tips like comment on other videos and release videos regularly. I've checked all of these boxes a couple of times now, but still I get no views. So I came up with a few key points that I think is the real reason for my tough beginning. Let's get into it. First one. Since my videos have no impressions, I figured that it has to be a new channel thing. YouTube thinks I'm not a human or something and does not even try to recommend my videos to anyone. Second, my thumbnails and titles are not good enough. I take a screenshot on CapCut for my thumbnail, and this is an easy way to do it, but the photo quality is not sharp for some reason, and I edit my thumbnail in Photoshop where I can sharpen the image a bit more, but still the quality might not be good enough to get attention. Maybe I'll take a still photo next time and try to make it more professional. Okay, third, I think maybe my hooks are so bad that people click away so quickly that YouTube doesn't even register it as a view. I've been trying to make my hooks shorter and better. I've also cut my overall video length from over 10 minutes to 2 to 6 minutes. Still, the 1 or 2 viewers I have per video do not watch till the end. I feel like my videos are not that bad, and if YouTube would recommend them to a wider audience, I would get more watch time, but who the fuck knows. And the last one might be the real reason. My video topics have been, for example, how to build discipline, habits for success, time management, etc. And honestly, who the hell would want to listen to a random guy trying to teach you how to become successful? I mean, I have no name in the field yet, and even though I have a lot of experience in business and self-development, still I'm an unknown random guy who is quite awkward in front of the camera. From now on, I'm going to focus more on documenting my journey to get views and making better content. Pushing from the bottom will be a long way, but learning through failing is the only way to become good at anything, in my opinion. So basically, all the issues I talked about will probably be fixed just by continuing making content. I mean, hooks and speaking will become better by repetition, and improving thumbnails every time a bit will make them pop out at some point, and maybe someone will click. And I think sharing my progression might be more interesting to people than trying to talk about discipline. I will probably take an online course from some of the experts on the field and document that also, so let's see what happens. And if you happen to watch this, leave a comment if you're having similar issues or you had this issue before and now are getting views. Thanks for watching.